Warning. Warning. Civil authorities have declared a national emergency in your area until further notice. This is not a drill, and this is not a test. As of 3 a.m. this morning, over 318 people have gone missing in our town of. The circumstances under the disappearance of these individuals is still primarily unknown. However, there have been some scenarios in which most of the missing persons have vanished under. They are as follows. Being in a dark room. Being alone. Being in a room with a window. Being in a room with a closet or other enclosed space inside a room. It is unclear precisely how many have gone missing, but the number continues to grow with each passing minute. To avoid going missing, do not go outside. Close and lock all windows and doors leading to the outside of your residency. If you currently have children, pets, or other family members outside of your home, do not go outside after them. Consider them lost. If you have weapons, please have them at the ready to deter anyone from coming into your home. Again, do not go outside under any circumstance. This broadcast will air again every 30 minutes without volume for your safety.
Go outside, 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 go outside,